Good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Selma. If you are new here, I share easy, fun, healthy meal ideas here on my channel. I'm craving something savory and sweet for breakfast, so I thought I would make fluffy scrambled eggs with an avocado toast, and I would show you guys how to make an avocado roast. Since last time I had that for breakfast, I get so many questions from you guys on how to make it. And then I would also make a small yogurt bowl and an iced pumpkin spice latte because I have a little bit left of my homemade healthier pumpkin spice syrup. Here is the ready breakfast. It looks so good. I'm currently adding finishing touches to today's YouTube video. It's the video about my at-home cafe. So I turned my apartment into a cafe last weekend. I still have the menu here. So I filmed a video of the whole process of getting the ingredients, prepping all the foods, and setting everything up. This video took like a week to make, including planning, filming, and editing, because I had like hours worth of footage and then I needed to turn it into a 20-minute video. But I hope you guys like it. If you ever have any video ideas you would want to see from me, please let me know. I know I do a lot of what I eat in a day videos and meal prep videos, but if there are any other video concepts you want to see, let me know in the comments. Often when I don't know what to make for lunch, I end up making a big snack plate. I think it's also a great way to use the foods you already have in your fridge or in your pantry. I always start with some kind of a dip, and I'm using hummus this time. It's also an okay source of protein. Then I'm gonna add cottage cheese, which is packed with protein. I'm not the biggest fan of cottage cheese on its own, but I like to drizzle honey and chili flakes on top. I think it just makes it taste a little bit better. And then I'm gonna add some veggies that I can dip in the hummus. I have these mini cucumbers and a carrot and some cherry tomatoes. Then I have these seed crackers that I think work very well with hummus. Then I also have some pistachios for healthy fats. And then I had some berries left for a little sweet treat. The best part about these snack plates is that they're super quick and easy to make. The only thing we need to really prep is chop these vegetables. So we're gonna start with that. There is the ready snack plate. It looks so good. This is a super simple but tasty meal. I've been filming a lot of cozy fall recipes lately, and it's been so fun because it makes my apartment smell so good. Now I'm about to make banana bread granola, and I'm gonna film a short form recipe video of that. For the granola, we need oats and 2 mashed bananas and cinnamon and nutmeg and a pinch of salt and some coconut oil, a little bit of maple syrup and vanilla extract and walnuts. And after baking, I'm gonna mix in some banana chips. Here's the ready granola. I didn't end up adding the banana chips at all because I felt like it had enough banana flavor on its own. And here's a little snack bowl that I just made. I added vanilla quark, granola, and 1/4 banana. I just did an at-home Pilates workout. For dinner, I thought I would make 1 pot Greek-style pasta because we are traveling to Greece on Saturday and it's now Thursday. Aaron and I thought this would be a fun 5-year anniversary trip because we have never been to Greece before. Our anniversary was actually in July, but we thought we would travel during fall because the flights and hotels are a lot cheaper and it should be less crowded. It's been raining here in Finland the whole week, so I'm so excited to get there because it should be warm and sunny, and I can't wait to try all the Greek food. For the dinner, we need lean ground beef, cherry tomatoes, whole grain pasta, crushed tomatoes, Kalamata olives, and I'm using green onions, but if you don't have IBS, you can replace these with a red onion. Then for spices, we need dried basil and oregano and thyme. And for the sauce, we also need tomato paste. After it's cooked, we're gonna add some crumbled feta on top. here is the ready dinner. Can't wait to try it out. While we eat, we're gonna watch the new episode of Only Murders in the Building. If you have not watched this series before, definitely recommend. It's really funny. I always have some of my healthier treats in the freezer, and I just found these frozen yogurt date bites, so I'm gonna have one of these for dessert. I hope you like this video, and if so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. I'll add the written recipes to the description box as always. I hope you check the recipes. Enjoy!